going on, guys? It's Ryan from Team Saiko, and today I got a surprise. Mostly for me though, because I've been waiting about 4 or 5 months for it to come in, but finally got it in. We'll be heading to Habitat in a little bit. I'm at work right now, so I gotta close up and everything. But we'll be heading over there, grabbing it, and hopefully installing it. And yeah, can't wait to share it with you guys. By the way, you know that last vlog I finished painting and installing the fuse roll cage and my chaser? But check this out. It's a full 1/10 scale livery by Auto Collect Storm. I'll leave their IG and everything in the description down below. Hit them up for some sweet merch and some sick liveries. I'm not sure if they have any more in stock, but doesn't hurt to ask. But yeah, this thing is pretty sick.
2 hours later.
Alright, so just finished work, closing up the shop now. Then we're gonna be on the road, head straight to Habitat. So let's go. Okay, so we finally got here to Habitat. It's kind of weird there's traffic. I don't know why it's a Saturday and there's traffic, but yeah. So the main thing is that we're here before they close. So there's a few of the team members that work there. I think like Roy, Everett, Jay. Real lucky in my opinion. Like my boss told me. He told me that if you find something that you love doing, you never work another day in your life, which is true. You get to play with crawlers and drift cars and bashers and whatnot, so it's a cool job. But anyway, let's head inside and see you where my surprise is. Look who's here. Oh, there are plenty of people here today. So we got the goods.
Yeah.
Surprise, surprise is what I've been waiting for. I finally got my hands on it. So this is what I've been waiting for 4 to 5 months for. When I first did my Yokomo build, I wanted pretty much just all the top of the line Yokomo electronics that was out on the market. But at the moment, all the RPXs were sold out, so I was unable to get my hands on one. But yeah. At Vertex, one of our sponsors. I'll leave it down in the description down below. Check them out for all your Yokomo needs and parts. But yeah, so I'm going to be switching this out today for the sweet RPX. More tunability, more customization, hopefully a better driving feel. And the only way to find out is we plug it in and test and tune. Alright, so the shop is closing, but everything is soldered up, looking spiffy, nice and car almost fell off the counter. But yeah, everything looks good. So go home, put everything together. Tomorrow I won't be able to make it out to the session that they usually have on Sundays, but you can guarantee that Tuesday practice I'll be out there. Hopefully this thing will be tuned somewhat. I'm most likely going to use a tune that I had basically on the last ESC, but we'll see how far that goes. But yeah, so we'll just fast forward to Tuesday. Yo, so we just got to Ainako right now. We're gonna go check out, see who's over here right now. Looks like a bunch of people, so should be pretty fun. I'm gonna try out the new ESC. I did a bass tune from what I had on my, sorry, cars in the background, from my previous tune on the BL Pro 4. So I took that tune and I pretty much applied it to this ESC. I'm also running DS Racing Quad F tires, Super G's, I guess they're spec tire. But yeah, we're gonna try that out and see how it goes. So let's go see who's here. Here, not as crowded as I thought it was gonna be, so we can practice and tune and see how this car runs. I'm excited. Let's do it. As you see here, I got the Quad F tires on the some brand new D-like rims, 7mm offset. But we should see how it goes. It's not even broken in yet, so I know it's gonna be sliding on the floor like ice. But we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we just finished our session at Ainako, about to head home, call it a night. But as far as the RPX, best thing I've ever bought. It's easy for me to say because I started from the bottom. I had the I guess entry-level ESC from Yokomo, and then I got the BL Pro 4, and then now the RPX 2. So you can tell the difference between the tuning and just the overall smoothness of how everything functions and works. I love it. I love it a lot. It works really well with the DX1. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you like what you've seen or what you watched so far, please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment down below what you want to see next in another one of our vlogs. Yeah, I'd love to hear you guys' feedback because it helps us grow as a channel, and it helps us grow as, you know, just learning things as we go along. So yeah, so other than that, catch you guys in the next one. Shoots.